Welcome guys to my stick. Today I'm going to be doing a little thing on my face. If you like it, please, I think it's my first video, please don't mind. This is my this because I'm gonna scrub my face. Please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, please. Thank you so much. So the first thing first, I think I got this on China. It's like this. Comes to a pack. See. You see this? Yeah, so look at all this. It's like acne and the things I use for my face. So I get this and this brush and apply a little water on my face. It's in the bathroom, but it's not the bathroom, so I'm just gonna like that. And this is my facial. Can you see my all acne? Neutrogena is almost out. I can't even imagine what I'm doing. Well, like it's out. I should say it's out. It's not almost out. It's out myself. So like there you go. And I on it. So it goes like circle, rinse around, and then voila. I think it's scrubbing. So while I scrub my face, I need to be having something. This like promotes circulation of blood in your face. As scrubbing is still massaging too. Let's scrub all these parts. And then I go here. There you go. Scrub all these under the eye. Right after when I'm done to stop it, remove it. This has like another. I like using this one. This one has like a way of the rough edges you have around your face. So I'm just going to put this in and go like this. Can you see? And it does its own work right there. You see how slowly doing its work. There. And there you go. And so I wash my face. Hi guys. Whew. Crazy, right? So I use like a pure white separate towel for my face so that I can go. I won't be able other germs from different parts of my body. So there you go. Should I clean every part? I use this routine morning and night, so it depends on the type of routine you'd like to use. Please let me know if you think it suits you better during the morning or this is at night. So maybe I'll do morning routine or I'll mix it together. So anytime, this is the second thing I use, which Hazel. Can you see? It comes like this. I'll put everything in the description box below when I'm done. It's really good. Comes like this. So what I do is I get like a tissue in the box and I get something like this kind of tissue and I just pull down to my problem areas. So like if you notice, I have more sunburn complex at this part of my face. So I like to like concentrate on that part. Why do I make myself laugh? This is weird. Okay, this is really weird. Anyway, so I did that and I clean like legit guys, this is really been helpful for my face. Like, I have a lot of spots. I dealt with pimples, like when I was growing up I dealt with a lot of pimples, and it's been so crazy for my face. It has a lot to do with, so now I don't get to have like perfect face. Like, okay, so when I'm done with that and I let my face blow a little bit of hair, I use facial oil sometimes I like to use like vitamin C. This is vitamin C serum. Vitamin C. So I don't like to use like a lot on my face, but I like to use like as little as possible. Like apply here, here, and here. How many people have this kind of bed in their house? I know I'm supposed to make my bed before I make the video. I'm like, man, whatever. So like there, because I like to do something. So I like apply it all over my face, everywhere. That. Go. Apply it down to your neck, because your neck too is part of your face. All those, it helps with the sunburn effect and those. Many of you have like dark circles around your eye. I would advise you get an eye cream. For me, I use this eye balm. It's Arad Natural Beauty. I don't know if you can see. Arad Natural Beauty. It's an eye balm, really good for the eyes. Can you see this? Arad Eye Balm. It's really good for the eyes since I've been using it. So while the vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid set on your face, I use as little as possible, because eye balm, like when eye balm touches your eye, it's really painful. So I like to use as really little as possible, you know. So I like to use this finger because it's the lightest to your eyes. It's not so bad all over. So you just give it as little pressure as possible. Be careful of the things that you use around it. Don't use something that would make it go ash, especially if you're like, you wear glasses, you don't sleep early, you take caffeine, give you darker eye circles. So, and for the last thing, you need a moisturizer. Now a moisturizer helps with, if you have applied our toner on the face, we applied our vitamin C, which I'm sure you can see, like I have that like glow from nowhere now, like it's just popping. Can you imagine it at night? Imagine when I'm under the sun. I have to do this for you at night because I don't know, I just got the motivation now. This is the last one. I got this from Body Shop. I don't know if you can see their logo, but the Body Shop, they call it Drops of Light. It's really nice. It's a face cream. It's purely nice. It's so moisturized. I don't use as plenty. I just use very little because of the weather, because I don't want my face. So I do this and I mark it on my face. Ta-da! Hi guys. So I think if you notice anything today, it's like little things matter. I'll put everything in the description. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd want me to post more things about anything, pretty much, please ask me questions. Thank you. Ciao. Bye.